So with that said, let's check in with meteorologist Hayden Nix. Hayden, what are the tropics telling you this morning?
Well, let's dive into the data. I've been looking at this for quite a bit this morning to see what's going to be at least increasing in confidence, what we still are uncertain on at this time. I'll step out and show you the big picture right now. And we have Franklin, which is going to increase some swell activity for us, but staying several hundred miles offshore. The big focus for us next week is going to be this area in red. This is, again, not to worry about the area in red. That's just an area of where it says development is expected to occur over the next several days here, but it is going to stay parked right there near the Yucatan Peninsula in the Western Caribbean, at least for the next 24 to 48 hours. But let me show you what's expected to take place here. These are two different models that we look at. These are the global models. That's the GFS and the Euro. The GFS is that blue shaded color. The Euro is that yellow color to greenish color. Watch what happens as we move forward here. This is what we're seeing is sea level pressure. You'll start to see more and more of those bands tightening up together, and that shows you the system strengthening, just like you see with Franklin off on the right hand portion of your screen. The closer these two colors are together, the more in agreement that they are. But look what happens as we head towards Tuesday. We start to see them spreading out a little bit, staying close, but then as we head into Wednesday, look what happens here. We're starting to see a decent spread with where it's expecting to track, and it has a lot to do with a trough that is going to be moving into the eastern U.S. Trough is a dip in the jet stream, and they're attracting each other, but one is moving it a little bit faster, the other model's moving it a tad bit slower, hence the reason that we have this spread. And right now, there's about a 250-mile disagreement with where it's expected to track, maybe more towards the western portion of the Panhandle of Florida, or maybe towards the Big Bend region. So we're going to have to continue to watch and see how that plays out over the next couple of days, because that difference makes a significant impact on what we could see here in the First Coast region. So let me show you this. So we're watching the Gulf development. The middle portion, that's what I want to emphasize here. It's higher than normal uncertainty given the time frame of when we're expected to see this have impacts for us, which is midweek. So we're now less than 5 days out, but the confidence and uncertainty still remains on the lower side. So that's why I just want you to be prepared, but don't panic. We are going to continue to keep you updated here, but this is going to look likely to be a short window of opportunity as far as how this will be notified for us. We know that there will be impacts, but strength and things like that, we still don't have enough there to confidently say what will likely take place.